Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about TANTECH Holding Inc. and the ticker for which is TANH. And we have seen a dismal performance in this particular stock. As you can see, most of the things are in red. Either you're talking about the price performance or you're talking about the fundamentals. What is green right now is the valuation or the multiples, and the reason here is very much simple, is because of a very sharp price performance on the downside. You can see the valuation cools off a little bit, or I would say most of the valuations have already cooled off now. Right now, even from its 52-week high, the stock is currently down by more than 74%, so this is very bad indeed. Apart from which, we have seen a slight amount of increase in the volatility compared to the monthly volatility of 14.43%. The week volatility is 14.75, and this is because of the current price change that has happened like 11 or 12% in last trading session. And there is one more reason, because the insider ownership is only 26% and the rest of the things are 27%, including the institutional ownership. So more than 70% is open in front of the market. So there are a lot to be see on the downside if things goes bad. And more specifically, this is China specific company listed in US stock exchange. So I have been saying this thing again and again, that because of the power tussle between US and China, there are lots of things. More specifically, because China has indeed enjoyed lots of I would say premium in the US market, and now because of this power tussle, obviously no country will allow them to gain advantage from their market and making their country strong. So because of this thing, you can see lots of changes are happening, and there are huge crash in the stock price, which crushes the market cap overall. Now let's see if there is anything else, whether you're talking about the insider movement or the coverage. So we don't have anything right now. And from news, so this is what we have from news. Now, TANTECH subsidiary receives milestone order for 12 driveless steel sweepers. Develops next generation sweeper with enhanced features. Now, if you want to consider it as a positive point, that is an individual decision. So, TANTECH Holdings Limited, a clean energy company in China, today announced that its subsidiary Lisui Smart New Energy Automobile Company Limited received a milestone order for 12 of its highly innovative SC120, a driverless and autonomous street sweepers, and the customer is a real estate development and a property management company managing industrial parks and other properties in China. So this is what we have here. I don't think this will make much impact as far as the trend is concerned. Let's quickly go to the chart and let's see what's happening over here. So now you can see how dismal the stock performance could probably be, and this is happening with most of the stocks that are listed in US stock exchanges, various different US stock exchanges. And there is one more fear. So there is one more fear of relisting that is happening over a period of time. And right now it is very much frequent if you are looking at the stock exchanges and the news are concerned. And when it's like a chain reaction, when things are looking down, it indeed makes everything suspicious. So right now the trend has already broken down. So the final stop loss you previously had was 82 cents. So this is the lower end of the range, as you can see, $1.14 and finally 82 cents. Now the stock has already broken down all these levels. If you want, if you can draw a line like this, where you can find that this is probably the support from where 53 cents from where the stock is indeed showing some sort of slight up movement, uptrending price action. But the thing is, if it does not started trading above 82 cents and more specifically above a dollar, you can't say anything about this stock, because this stock looks very bad right now because a trend breakdown has already happened. So the current range we have here is in between 53 cents and 82 or 83 cents. If it does not sustain, started trading above 82 83 cents, this stock is in a big trouble. And if you still want to look at this stock, don't go below 53 cents on the downside. Only if the stock started trading above $1.15, you have 2 or 3 targets to look at, started with 2.4, 3.76 or 4.5, 4.6. But this is a different story. So this trend is simply looking like this. So there is a big slide down, and then there is a consolidation, and probably this is the start of a third slide down. So be very much alert about this fact, because if it is indeed a breakdown that is on the anvil, then you are here for a lot much on the downside. Okay, so do not try to I would say show your over smartness, at least in this stock, right? Because when you are not sure about the things which you are doing, chances are you should not do that. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share with us in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.